How to divide page vertically in Notion. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to divide a page vertically in Notion. This simple trick makes your workspace look more organized and visually clean, and you can set it up in just a couple of minutes. So let's get started. First, head over to the Notion website and log into your account. If you use Google to sign in, just click Continue with Google and select your account to access your workspace. Once you're in, open the page where you want to add the divider. Click on an empty text box to create a new block and type /quote. Select the quote block from the menu. You'll notice a quote section appear on your page. Now, here's the trick: press Shift plus, enter a few times inside the quote block to extend it vertically down the page. This gives you a tall placeholder. On the left side of that block, you'll see 6 little dots. Hold and drag those dots all the way to the right side of the page. As you drag, a vertical guideline will appear. Release it when it's in the right spot. And there you go. You've created a neat vertical divider. You can now type on the right side while keeping the left side free, making it easy to separate notes, projects, or ideas in a clean way. The best part is that Notion's layout is super flexible, so you can experiment with different blocks, dividers, or layouts until you find the one that works best for you. That's all for the video. Try this out in your own workspace and see how much more organized your pages look.